Find or read reviews that people are talking about KOOPER taller solar pathway lights outdoor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Unique solar pathway lights. Our solar lights outdoor features a rectangular transparent lampshade plus bottom diamond-shaped design that adds a touch of elegant modernity to any space and greatly enhances your yard's class and home value. The solar lights outdoor waterproof paired with LED filament bulbs, it creates your outdoor space will exude a warm and inviting ambience, reminiscent of a bygone era. Outdoor solar lights for yard will illuminate your garden with the charm of yesteryears. 30% solar conversion and 15H long lasting. Unlike other solar outdoor lights, our solar lights outdoor pathway use monocrystalline panels, 30% efficiency, to hoard sunlight like desert cacti. A 1000 mAh battery lets solar garden lights burn from dusk till dawn 10 to 15 hours straight. From midnight rose pruning to pre-dawn coffee runs, pathway lights solar-powered ensure your path never fades to black. Save on your electric bill while enjoying the pleasant glow of these garden lights solar-powered. 2x bigger and taller size solar landscape lights and brighter. While many on the market are selling small outdoor solar lights, ours makes a commanding debut with a 25.6-inch height, nearly doubling the stature of ordinary solar pathway lights. Proprietary reflective design plus tungsten cores make solar-powered outdoor lights 30% brighter. You can place solar garden lights outdoor near pergolas, ponds, or fire pits. With solar driveway lights this bold, even fireflies might ask for autographs. All weather ready and 2 mm thickened lampshade. Our solar walkway lights with a high waterproof level of IP65, ensuring the solar yard lights can withstand all bad weather, no need to worry about rain, snow, or sleet. These solar path lights feature a high-strength ABS shell paired with an industry-leading 2 mm thickened lampshade. Up to 50% thicker than ordinary solar walkway lights outdoor, which can ensure long-lasting performance. The durability of these walkway solar lights for outside. Widely applications and perfect gifts. From driveway borders to glamping setups, solar garden lights outdoor waterproof scream designer touch without the markup. 89% of gifters say recipients Insta-story solar yard lights outdoor before unwrapping the card. They read that photogenic. Ditch dying roses, give solar pathway lights outdoor waterproof that bloom nightly. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.